Okay, so nandito tayo sa method of grouping. Actually, this method is still under exact. So we cannot perform this method unless the equation is exact. Okay? Tatalugulugin ko. Pwede lang natin gamitin ang method na to kung ang equation ay exact. Yan. Sige. So, ganun din. So, una natin gagawin is, syempre, iti-test natin na kung anong method yung gagamitin. So, ang wari, alam natin hindi siya pwedeng separable. So, iti-test na natin siyang exact. So, iti-test na natin. Iti-test natin for exactness. So, yung method mamaya ako na-explain. Gusto ko siya explain in terms of an example. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin ay test natin for exactness. So, partial derivative of m with respect to y. So, deride natin to in terms of y. So, derivative of 1 is 0. And then, y ito. So, derivative of y squared is 2y. So, we'll have 2xy. And the partial derivative of n with respect to x. So, y will act as a constant. So, anong derivative nito with respect to x? So, that is 2xy plus 0. So, therefore, the equation is exact. Ayan. Okay, dito na tayo. Ano ba ang method of grouping? So, merong ang isang explanation daw ng method of grouping is you are trying to group terms. You are trying to group terms at tapos pwede mo silang i-integrate. So, parang nagma-match-match ka ng mga terms dito sa ating differential equation. So, halimbawa, ito, i-match ko dito, ito, i-match ko doon. Parang ganun. Pero, ang pinakamadaling gawin ay, paano na kayo nag-iisip, so, ang gagawin nyo lang ay, i-distribute nyo lang yung mga dx at saka dy sa bawat term. Okay? So, i-distribute lang natin. So, gawin na natin. Since exact siya, so, pwede na natin gawin yon. Ito, distribute natin dito. So, magiging dx. Okay? Plus xy squared dx. Okay? Plus x squared y dy. Plus y dy. Ayan. Wag yung sasaling 0. Yan lang. Naglalag ako, Lawrence? Not sure. How about the others? Okay. Just subscribe to my... Okay. Pag na-distribute na natin, so ang gagawin nyo ay class, ipa-partial integrate natin sila. Okay? Partial integration. Isa-isa. So, integrate natin to bawat term. Partial dahil magkakahalo sa ibang term yung mga dx and x and y natin. So, integrate natin sila bawat term. Yeah. Okay? And then, integrate nyo lang. So, dx yan. Ano integral ng dx? X. Plus. Okay, ito integrate natin siya with respect to x. So that means yung y squared is constant. Tama ba? Anong integral ng x dx? Integral niya ay x squared over 2. Yes. Ang una natin gagawin is i-distribute lang natin yung dx and dy sa bawat term. Ayan, distribute. Gagawa ko na. Tapos, integrate natin sila bawat term. At partial integration dahil magkakahalo yung x and y. So, depende lang kung dx siya or dy. Kung dx, integrate natin in terms of x. Kung y, dy siya, integrate natin siya in terms of y. So, halimbawa dito, so ano yung integral ng dx? X. Okay, plus x y squared dx. So, i-integrate natin siya syempre sa dx. So, that means yung y natin is a constant. So, tinabi ko na yung y. Ang in-integrate ko ay x dx. At ano ang integral ng x dx? Power rule, x squared over 2. Tama? Okay? Sige. Now, let's continue. So, plus. Okay, ito naman, x squared y dy. So, integral natin siya in terms of y. So, that means yung x is a constant. So, x squared. Yan. Ano ang integral ng y dy? So, that's y power rule, y squared over 2. Okay? Plus, okay, ano ang integral ng y dy? So, that's y squared over 2. Ayan. Okay? Ngayong class, meron na tayong 4. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, kung meron kayong mga nakitang pareho at hindi, kokopyahin nyo lang sila, no? Kokopyahin lang. So, halimbawa, ito may kamukha ba siya? Wala. So, i-retain natin siya. Yes. Plus. Ito ba may kamukha? Yan. Ito. At saka ito magkamukha. So, that means, isusulat lang natin siya ng isang beses. X squared, y squared over 2. Ito ba may makamukha? Wala. So, plus y squared over 2. And then, equate nyo na siya sa C. Ayan. Kasi ito na yung ating general solution. Simplify na lang natin. Multiply natin ng 2. So, we'll have 2x plus x squared y squared plus y squared is equal to C. Ayan. So, this is our general solution. Siyempre, dapat pag-aralan muna natin yung long method para ma-appreciate niyo yung short method. So, that's our final answer. May question ba kayo? Actually, Ernesto, pag meron tayong mga future na examples na mag-i-exact kayo, so, syempre, ialaw ko naman, magagamit lang kayo ng grouping. Lalo na pagdating natin sa integrating factor, na gagawin yung exacting equation. So, pwede nyo nang idiretso dito, wag na yung mahabang method na inuna nating diniscuss. Okay. Sige, kumare, yung susolve natin ay, ano yung susolve natin? Dapat yung sinolve natin kanina para malaman nyo yung tamang sagot. So, ito yung example natin. Ayan. Yung example natin kanina, susolve natin siya ng method of grouping. Ayan. Yan lang. Yan lang ha. Huwag nating, yan, kokopyahin ko. 2xy. Hindi ko alam kung naalala nyo yung sagot. O, mamaya na lang natin sisilipin yung sagot. Para may thrill. Okay. Hindi na natin iti-test ng exact kasi nalaman na natin kanina na exact. Test pa ba natin? Sige na, test na natin para kompleto. So, iti-test natin para masanay din kayo. The partial derivative of m with respect to y. Ayan. So, that is 2x. Yung x is constant, y is yung variable. So, 2x cosine x squared minus 2x. Ayan. 0. And then yung n, so in terms of x, so ito ay derive natin in terms of x. So, that will be cosine x squared, then chain rule, times 2x minus 2x. Ayan. So the equation is exact. Ayan. So ang gagawin natin? I-distribute natin yung dx at saka dy sa bawat term. So that will be 2xy cosine x squared dx minus 2xy dx plus dx plus sine x squared dy minus x squared dy. Ayan. Okay, so distribute and then we integrate each term. Minsan medyo mahirap lang mag-integrate. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo lang, pwede nyo gamitin. Ayan. Ito na sinasabi ko. Paano natin to integrate? So, integrate natin to in terms of x. So, that means yung y is constant. So, yung y natin ay constant. Y ay constant. Okay? Yung matitira ay, so parang integrate natin ay cosine x squared times 2x dx. In-obvious ko para sa inyo. So, ano yung u? Is x squared. Ano yung du? 2x dx. So, therefore, ang integral niya ay, okay, trigo kasi siya. So, it will be sine x squared. Nilabas ko kasi siya dahil, di ba constant siya? Ang ini-integrate kasi natin is x. So that means yung y is acting as a constant. Ang ini-integrate lang natin yung mga x. Ayan. So ito, so nilalagay ko yung sine y. Ayan. So therefore, yung integral nito ay sine y sine x squared minus. Okay, integrate nyo siya in terms of x. So that means yung 2y natin ay constant. O ano yung integral ng x dx? Yun yung x squared over 2. Tama? Ayan. Plus, integral ng dx is x. Plus, integral nito, okay class, that's dy. And this is x. Sine x squared. So that means that's a constant. So therefore, this will be y sine x squared. Class, sandali . Hello? Okay, sir. Okay, class, sorry. May tumawag kasi. May tumawag. Ayan. Sorry. Hindi ko na rin siya ni-record. Ay, patayin ko na rin. Alis na kita yun na yung solution.